Let's conclude our discussion of game graphics concepts. Our focus will be on the file layer of the graphics display model. The file format defines how the graphics are stored in storage for later retrieval. It's important to know a bit about file formats, as they are our vehicle for moving data between one program and another, and each file format has its own advantages and disadvantages. There are many different bitmap file formats that support different features. Unity supports importing all of these bitmap formats, including Photoshop files, complete with layers and effects. While we often compress bitmap images to reduce their file size for delivery over the web, as a general rule in game development, I try to maintain the highest quality image for as long as possible and only reduce quality through downsampling or compression when I absolutely have to. Unity actually will compress bitmap images for you based on your import settings and your build settings for the target platform. Therefore, I prefer to import uncompressed images such as Photoshop files or TIFFs directly into my game projects. There are also many different vector file formats. Some game engines such as Flash support 2D vector images in-engine. However, as of Unity 5, Unity does not directly support 2D vector graphics. However, many artists like the workflow and resulting look of working with vector tools. Therefore, you can use a vector tool to create the graphics and then export them as a bitmap image for importing into Unity. There are a number of 3D file formats as well, including proprietary formats for Maya, 3ds Max, Blender, and a handful of other 3D modeling and animation tools, and standard formats such as FBX and OBJ. Unity actually converts the proprietary formats into an FBX file upon importing into the project. Just like using Photoshop files, this conversion is usually seamless and done in the background without you knowing it. Therefore, you can have a proprietary file format in your project, such as a Maya binary file, and Unity will convert it to an FBX automatically every time you update the file. We'll discuss a bit more about this when we talk about the asset pipeline. In the next video, we'll discuss a bit about creating game graphics.